Most people are chasing trends, while a few are quietly mastering the kind of skills that print money forever. And today, I'm revealing exactly what those are. These aren't gimmicks. They're the real long-lasting skills that make ordinary people build extraordinary wealth in the age of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence isn't some distant technology anymore. It's already changing how money moves, how businesses grow, and how individuals create income streams that never stop. So, let's go through 10 AI business skills that can make you money not just today, but for decades to come. Every successful entrepreneur understands one thing: data tells the truth. In today's business world, AI helps you collect, read, and understand massive amounts of data. But the real skill? Knowing how to use that data to make smart business decisions. People who can interpret trends, customer behavior, and performance metrics can predict what to sell, when to sell it, and who to sell it to. That's how you print money without guessing. Marketing isn't about shouting the loudest anymore. It's about speaking directly to one person in a way that feels personal. With artificial intelligence tools, you can now create highly personalized ads, emails, and content for each customer. If you learn how to train these tools with customer data, you can build marketing campaigns that convert like crazy. Companies spend millions on this because it works. If you master it, you can either run your own brand or get paid to help others grow theirs. Here's a skill that literally gives you time freedom. Automation means letting artificial intelligence handle repetitive, boring work from scheduling and reporting to customer responses and data entry. But the real money comes from strategy, knowing what to automate and what to keep human. Once you understand that balance, you can build systems that run your business 24/7, even while you sleep. We're living in a world where content equals currency. Whether it's video, writing, design, or voice, AI can help create it faster. But the winners are those who know how to make that content resonate. It's not just about generating words or images. It's about understanding storytelling, emotional triggers, and timing. If you can use these tools to tell stories that connect, you'll never run out of ways to make money online. Imagine being able to see what's coming before it happens. That's what predictive analytics can do. This skill helps businesses forecast sales, detect risks, and identify new opportunities before the competition does. If you can learn how to use artificial intelligence-driven analytics tools even at a basic level, you become someone who helps businesses save or make millions. That's a high-value skill that never goes out of style. Have you noticed how customer support is changing? Many businesses are switching to smart assistants to answer questions, book services, or even make sales. Learning how to design and manage these assistants can make you a lot of money. You don't need to build one from scratch. You just need to understand how to train them with the right data, tone, and workflow. Businesses pay well for people who can do this because it improves their service and cuts costs. This one is powerful. With artificial intelligence tools, you can turn your knowledge or expertise into products, online courses, digital templates, or automated tools. You might be a marketer, teacher, designer, or consultant, doesn't matter. The skill is knowing how to transform what you already know into something that sells without your constant presence. Once you set it up, it keeps earning on autopilot. Artificial intelligence doesn't replace creativity, it expands it. The real skill here is collaboration. People who learn how to creatively combine human imagination with artificial intelligence tools create things faster, better, and more beautifully than before. Whether it's designing brands, writing copy, composing music, or developing new ideas, collaboration with technology will separate innovators from imitators. Knowing how to make money is one thing. Knowing how to manage it smartly is another. Artificial intelligence can help you track expenses, predict future cash flow, and even suggest better investment decisions. But you need financial intelligence to make sense of those suggestions. When you combine both human money sense and automated insights, you gain a superpower. You start seeing your money as a system, not just income and expenses. That mindset prints wealth long-term. Finally, the ultimate artificial intelligence business skill. Knowing how to build, run, and scale online businesses using automation, data, and content tools. You can create a one-person empire selling services, courses, designs, or digital products without hiring big teams. Artificial intelligence becomes your silent partner that handles most of the heavy lifting.